that you were forced to watch her pleasure herself, that your sister was raped and tortured at one point, and your mother didn't listen to her, didn't believe her, that you were gang raped in your own home, that your mother forced your kids to eat cat food,
Yes.
and that she forced your sister to get breast implants at age 14.
That's what my sister told me.
Satanic rituals were going on. She killed your neighbor with